In this tutorial, we're going to learn how we can track if a buyer requests a contract on one of your listings so that it shows up in the activity section against your listing. First of all, you need to go to clients and have that buyer who has requested the contract entered in as a client. In this case, we're going to go into My Record, and we can now see that we can go to the activity section is where we track all of the areas of interest that this buyer has had on particular properties. In this particular tutorial, we're going to look at the Contracts tab. Now at present, this particular client has requested no contracts on any of my listings. So what we're now going to do is hit the Add Contract option, or if you've already got contracts added, you'll be able to go to the Action and select the Add Contract option. Now on the right hand side of the screen, we need to select the property that this is for. We can see that it's got our client selected, and we now select the date that the contract was issued to our client. Now in the notes, this will be part of your vendor feedback, so we're going to put some information about this contract request in here. Now that we have the notes added for the contract, we can down the bottom of the screen hit Add Contract, and you will see that this will then add that against our buyer record attached underneath in the contracts area. Now that the contract has been added against our client, let's go into the properties, have a look at 36 Malua, and in the activity section, we can now see that by going into the Contracts tab, we can see that on the 13th of June, Luke and Natalie Newton requested the contracts on this particular property.